So I want to take a minute and show you something about this horse's teeth. I always say don't worry about the wrinkles, to look at the bars in the horse's mouth. This horse's bars are really high in relation to the corners of his mouth. The bars is up here. The bars is the part of the horse's jaw in between the front teeth and the back teeth where the bit sits. Not sure how good a video I can get, but the bar where the bit needs to sit is right here where my finger is. And when you look at that in relation to the horse's mouth, that's actually in pretty far. So if you just adjust a bit to the corner of the mouth, it's not going to be where it's going to be comfortable for this horse. This horse actually has a little bit shallow mouth in relation to where the teeth are inside the mouth. So you always want to look inside the mouth at where the bars are to adjust the bit. Don't just look at the corners of the mouth. I noticed the very first time I bridled this horse, in fact I said something on the video, that the horse wanted the bit up high. He was pulling wrinkles up into his mouth. And I had forgot to put that on video that day. I had looked at it, and the owner had saw the video and asked me if I had looked, and I had. So anytime you're wanting to adjust the bit in the horse's mouth, don't adjust it to the corners of the mouth. Corners of the mouth are not what matters, it's the bars that matter. If you have any questions about where the bit should sit on the horse's head, or any questions about bits and mouth structure in general, put them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I'm not a vet, but I do have a pretty good idea of where the bit needs to sit for the horse to respond like he should respond. This is Kiowa. I'll put a link up here to his other videos. Until next time, thank you for watching.